Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be doing this look, which is like a full glam look. Took almost 2 hours. So if you want to watch and see how I got this really pretty blue look, please keep watching. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Color Wonder, Cushion Wonder color corrector. I'm gonna take this small stipple brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics and I'm gonna blend out the color corrector. So I know it looks like I got punched in the eyes, but once you do your foundation and your concealer, it looks much better. Now I'm going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte Press Powder and I'm going to set the color corrector. I'm going to wet my sponge with the ColourPop priming spray in Amethyst. And I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Hydrate and Smooth foundation in the shade 120. If I keep like going like this or like squinting my eyes or like looking over here, it's because the light is, I don't know why, it's literally burning my eyes today. This is gonna turn into the like a blindfolded makeup challenge because I'm pretty much gonna almost be doing my makeup with my eyes closed pretty soon. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to already set underneath my eyes and my smile lines just because those areas crease the most. Well, they crease the fastest and the most. Now I'm going to cream contour with the NYX Wonder Stick. And when I'm blending out my cream contour on my face area, I never rub. I always like press. I press and move my hand really fast because I find when I rub it, it moves the foundation too, and I don't want that. I'm gonna blend my forehead and my nose off camera, and I just do the same pressing technique on those two areas that I do on my cheek. And I'm gonna dip into it a little bit more and set the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna bronze with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm gonna do that off camera because you guys always see me bronze in my videos. I'm just gonna take this, the Body Shop contouring powder, and I'm gonna contour. Now I'm gonna take some more Laura Mercier setting powder and carve out the bottom of where I bronze. For eyes, I'm gonna be using two palettes. The first one is gonna be the ColourPop Soul palette. Just looks like this. It's so pretty. I'm so in love with it. And for the first shade I'm gonna be using is this one. I'm gonna be placing it in the crease. And then after that one, I'm gonna be taking this shade and placing it a little lower, but on top of this shade. And this one is called Dynamite, and that one is called New Dig. I'm going to start going in with the second shade now. I got waxed yesterday. I did my eyebrows and my upper lip. And I think the wax was too hot because I broke out. Like, I have so much pimples, like here, 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 here. And it makes me so sad. I'm going to be going in now with the shade Ooh with this BH V5 brush. Now I'm going to take the first brush that I used to blend those two colors together. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. Cosmetics blending brush, and I'm going to take this shade, which is Floaties, and I'm going to place it in the outer corner. And I'm just going to take that first brush again to blend everything together again. And now I'm going to wipe off this setting powder that's here, and I'm going to leave the setting powder that's under my eyes just in case any fallout still happens. Do you see like how sharp that makes it? So pretty. For the next palette I'm going to be using is the ColourPop Mar palette, and it just looks like this. This one's really pretty, and I'm going to be mixing these two shades here, which is Gridlock and My Way. And I'm using the MAC 18 brush, and I'm going to spritz the color with the ColourPop priming spray. And I'm going to go in with that first brush and blend. And I'm going to take the brush that I used the brown color on and blend this together here. I'm going to go back in with the Soul palette, and I'm going to take this shade, this one, and do the lower lash line, and I'm going to do that off camera. So I finished my lower lash line, and instead of using those two colors, I ended up using that one and that one. And this brush is just a BH brush that came in the Royal Affair brush set. For highlight, I'm going to be taking the Mary Luminizer highlighter, and this is a Morphe M310 brush. For once, you can kind of see the highlighter. And I'm going to line my lips a little bit with the Bite Beauty lip liner in the shade 036. I'm going to finish it off camera so I can save a little bit of time. For lips, I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics lip shade in Commando. And over top of that lip color, I'm going to be taking the Essence Clear Gloss and going over top. And I'm just patting it on, not rubbing it, because the lipstick's not fully dry yet. I'm gonna go do my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. So I finished my lashes, and this is the finished look. Wait, I have to set. I'm gonna set with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This is the finished look. It's really pretty. It's a little difficult to do, but if you have it took 2 hours for me to do it, around 2 hours, I'm gonna say 1 to 2 hours. But if you have a lot of time, it's really nice to do if you want a full glam look. But if you like this look and you like my video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.